Click MagdiCreator to access the wizard. Step 1. Select the specification source. We will provide a URL to the specifications. Step 2. Choose Automation, option New. Step 3. Choose your preferred test automation tool. All other options update to be compatible with the tool. Set the project name, or you can have Magdi-AI suggest one. Optionally enable screen scrape and provide URL, depth, and credentials if required. Review the selected options and click Apply and start chatting. Magdi-AI captures the website's element identifiers and then utilizes the provided specs and selected options to generate the project. Once Magdi-AI generates the project, it provides a summary of what was generated and alerts you that the generated project has been downloaded. Magdi-AI saves you time by creating the outputs for you automatically. Magdi-AI works on all OS types, but the demo is presented on a Windows-based machine. You will find a zip download with the project name given in Downloads. You will also find an unzipped version in a Runs folder, the location defined in .env by the user. There, you will find a Downloads folder containing a copy of the zipped project, also found in Windows Download. You will also find a Runs folder that contains a zip folder, a work folder that zips the project, and a project folder identified by ID. This folder contains your actual project. Magdi-AI wants to make life easy for you, so you can either copy the zipped project to your preferred location or simply open the unzipped version of the project into your desired IDE and continue your development efforts. Let's explore the project Magdi-AI generated. First, we have the generated test suite in the JSON format selected. The framework reads and processes the test, and the user can opt to import into their desired test management system. You will note that the framework was created using the TestNG framework and Java language selected. A keyword driver is created that is designed to read the generated tests and execute them against the WebDriver. A helper program is created that is designed to help the keyword driver read in the generated test suite and map to a structure the framework can manage. The framework project includes a set of models, test suite, test case, and step that provide helpful functions and use to structure the test suite after they are read in for execution. The core of the framework contains the keyword engine, the WebDriver factory, and the base page. Essentially, the keyword engine includes the keyword action functions. The WebDriver defines the driver for a set of browsers, Firefox, Chrome, and Edge, and Base Page contains the basic page management functionality during test execution. Of course, we have the page-specific classes that contain the page object model and test case action functions for each page discovered on the website based on the depth you chose. This includes all the required artifacts based on your MagdiCreator wizard selections. Now you can try running your project. The instructions are included in the agent response and continue your development efforts.